Ukitaka mapenzi yake nafiki, basi nenda bongo movie. Ukitaka mapenzi yake nafiki, basi nenda bongo movie. Yeah. Bongo movie, bongo movie. Yeah. Bongo movie.
This is the joyride with the rainbow goddess, the rainbow goddess.
This is the joyride with the rainbow goddess, the rainbow goddess.
Hello, and welcome to Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess. I'm Itzel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make gluten-free buns. Now, these gluten-free buns are very special because they are colored with blue pea butterfly, and they turn out purple. That's why I'm wearing purple to honor, you know, the fun buns that we're gonna make. Check out my purple shoes. So yeah, they're super soft. They're like very chewy. I swear to you that if you didn't tell somebody that they're vegan and gluten-free buns, like they would have no idea. So I'm very proud of these. If I knew how to, like, you know, stylishly package and sell to grocery stores, I would definitely do it. But since I don't, I'm gonna share it with you so you can make it at home. So let's just head to the kitchen and get to the magic. Step 1, you're going to prepare a potato. Now you can use any old type of potato. It could be sweet potato, white potato, or you can even skip this step completely by using canned pureed pumpkin. But if you are using a potato, you're going to peel it, chop it, put it into boiling water, cover it, and let it get nice and soft while you prepare the rest of your ingredients. Next, you're going to mix some mildly warm water with some sugar. Give it a nice whisk, then add a packet of yeast. Give that a little mix as well, and then set it aside to allow it to activate. Now get a large mixing bowl and you're going to mix your dry ingredients, which is going to be 2 cups of all-purpose gluten-free flour, 1 cup of oat flour, 1.5 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of xanthan gum, and that's all. Just give it a little whisk. Next, you're going to get a food processor. You're going to get 1/2 cup of the liquid from your cooking potatoes and a heaping 1/2 cup of the potatoes you cooked and 2 tablespoons of chia meal or flax meal, and you're going to blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Finally, you're going to bring all your ingredients together and you're going to add a 1/4 cup of your favorite oil. Could be coconut oil. I used avocado oil, or you could do vegan butter. And I also added 1 tablespoon of my superfood blue butterfly pea to give it that extra purpley color, although it does come out to be a little bit charcoaly. Now I did use a stand mixer because it's a little bit more effortless. But it's just as easy to do it by hand because it is a really wet dough and it doesn't need to be kneaded. Then you're going to get a baking tray, line it with some oil, and sprinkle a bit of flour all over it. I use some almond flour because I like the light nutty taste it gives it. Next, I'm going to use a large cookie scoop to shape and portion my buns. I do like to get it wet so that less of the dough gets stuck to it. Once I'm done portioning them, I get my hands wet a little bit just to pat them down, or you could leave them like a nice round shape. I just like flatter buns. And I did sprinkle a little bit of black and white sesame seeds for that extra cute look. Then you're gonna let them rise for 40 minutes, or a little bit less if it's really hot out, or a little bit more if it's really cold out.
I like to clean up the kitchen while I wait. Clean up the kitchen while I wait. Woo!
Now it's been 40 minutes and I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. My buns did get about 25% bigger, and now that the oven's ready, they're ready to go in. Now they just bake for 20 minutes. It's bread time! It is bread time! Bread time!
Can't wait to get my teeth into that bread.
Ooh, it's ready! Alrighty, moment of truth. Ooh, look how spongy that is. Oh goodness, do you see that? No, but seriously, this is like so incredibly like moist and spongy and like airy too. My favorite is to have this bread with this like amazing almond cheese that I made, and I actually posted that recipe in my Instagram and on my Facebook page. So I'll also put a link to those because I share a lot of like recipes on my Instagram and Facebook page so that I don't share on videos, because videos obviously are time consuming. But yeah, definitely check it out and follow me on there as well. And on there I also like give previews and like reminders of the videos that I put up on my YouTube channel. It's a lovely gray day, so I decided to come outside and enjoy my rainbow sandwich. It's got my almond cheese, some cucumber, avocado, and my pink sauerkraut, which I also have a video for in my YouTube channel, and I will put a link to that as well down in my description below.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for future videos. I love hearing from you, or just if you want to pay me compliments, I would really appreciate that too. And I am going to start putting a new video every single Monday, so make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and turn on your notifications so you're notified every time that I put up a new video. Okay, love you. Have a healthy, happy life. Yeah.